Welcome to lake trout fishing on Potash Lake. We're set up here. We got jawjacker. Oh, there's a fish. Jawjacker. We got our minnows set. Here comes a fish up to Trevor. Maybe up to mine.
Looks like he's staying on these.
Yeah. Eat my jawjacker. Fuck, I want to drop down there so bad, but I can't. Oh fuck, there it is. Reel up.
Yeah. You have the GoPro on?
Fuck, I lost it.
No way.
Yeah, it came off.
Fuck.
Yeah, the GoPro was on.
Fuck, boy.
Fuck, I lost that fish. No way. Jawjacker didn't hook set hard enough. Better reel it up, you know. Oh fuck. You got him?
No, I missed him.
No, he missed him, yeah. Yeah, he's still down there. No way. No way. Really?
Yeah, I think.
Oh my god, no way. Let's fucking go, Trevor. Oh. Lake trout.
Oh, I see him.
No way. Yo, baby, lake trout. Let's go. Oh, that might be a splake. Let me see. Yo, I think that's a splake, dude.
No, that's a Laker.
Is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's fucking go!
Let's go!
Let's fucking go!
Tiny Laker ate this
Oh
fat minnow,
my
too,
god, dude.
Look at how big this minnow is.
I know. Maybe we
Fuck
should
it.
be using even bigger.
I'm gonna let him keep it, honestly. Fuck it, let me get a quick pick with this guy.
Yeah, bro, 100%.
Gotta let him go real quick, but... Oh! Let's go, baby!
Let's fucking go!
This is fucking tiny!
Oh my god, yo. That's so sick. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh
boys.
yeah, buddy. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, bro. Okay, I might put like a jig head on this. Oh, fuck. There's one. Oh, came off.
Your drag is so loose, bro.
Came off, bro. Fuck, no. He ate it by the head, eh? Our Laker.
Parker just got a nice Laker.
Oh, let's keep
Nah, bro, that's too small.
What do you mean? He choked it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he choked it hard.
Okay, fuck it. Oh, beauty Laker for Parker.
Oh my god, let's fucking go!
Let's go, boys. Parker got the Laker. He fucking swallowed that bait, so it looks like we're having Laker for supper. Gotta get my shit back down there. Might be some more Lakers. Gotta take a phone video because you already know Parker didn't have the GoPro on when he was catching that. Second ever lake trout.
Oh my god.
First ever lake trout for Parker.
Oh my god, boys.
If I catch Lakers
I was
and Biacotti in the same day, bro, I'm gonna be fucking ridiculous.
Boys, I was dead sticking. Oh my god, look at that lake trout. That's beautiful lake trout. He is keeper size, but he swallowed the hook, so we just had to keep him. But yeah, beautiful Laker. Wow, they look so different. Amazing.
Beautiful fish, man.
Fuck yes. Let's fucking go,
Bro, I
dude.
could barely even see that pattern on mine. Mine was so small.
Yours had a strange pattern.
It's probably like, what, a 0.7er?
Probably, yeah, probably something around there. If only we had a scale.
0.6, 0.7. Yeah. Fuck it, I might have to buy on a Canadian Tire.
Damn, bro, he ate that whole fucking fatty. Oh, there it is, right there, actually.
Can you see it? God.
Completely gone. It was completely gone.
Just big minnows for lake trout.
Yeah.
Fuck, bro. I fucked it.
Got him. Oh no, I missed him too. He's up there though. He's still hungry. I don't have a fucking minnow anymore. Damn it. Okay, so there's a fish on Trevor's lure, following it up right now. Oh my god, that's so cool.
How's it going, boys? Day 2 at Potash Lake. Me and Parker are on our way here. It's 7:10 in the morning right now. Our estimated arrival time is 7:25. I think sunrise is still around 7:40 right now, so hopefully we can get set up for the sunrise and catch that early morning bite. Wish us luck, boys. Let's go.
Trevor's using the tube and he hooks it into a laker. It's gonna be big. Oh, it's nice though.
Let's go.
New PV.
New PV Laker.
Oh my god.
Crushed the tube.
Damn, it came in flying in.
This guy came flying in for it. Pop it right out.
Oh. Nice one, Trevor. He's long.
Video.
Yep. Let's go. Wait. Alright, putting the fish back. Nice, Trevor.
Right away. Let's go. First ever fish on the tube jig, buddy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's go. New PV Laker, 12.5 incher.
Hell yeah. Alright, putting the fish back. Nice, Trevor.
Right away. Let's go. First ever fish on the tube jig, buddy.
Oh, yes, sir.
Let's go. New PV Laker, 12.5.
Alright, guys, just caught this Laker, 13 inches. Better release him. Oh, straight down. Beauty. Let's fucking go, Trevor! Up. We have no idea what it could be. Might be a lake trout. I really hope so. Feels nice?
Feels nice.
Oh my god, Trevor, let's fucking
It's
go.
a lot better than the ones yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, a lot better than the one yesterday.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a nice fight, dude.
Oh
it's
my
a
god.
big Laker.
Oh my god.
It's a big Laker.
Oh my god, let me pull up. Oh my god! Yo, chill. Don't do that. Don't do that. Get it away from the ice. Loosen your drag. No! He broke you off. Oh my god, there's a fat Laker.
That was a fatty, dude. Bro, it's because I tried to loosen my drag, it turned it the right way and tightened it. And oh my god, bro, that was like a 3-pounder
Oh my
at
god.
least. That was a fatty!
Oh my god.
God fucking damn.
Oh my god, yo!
Let's go.
Oh my
There's a
god,
fat
yo! What the
Laker, dude.
fuck?
Oh my god,
Holy fuck! What the fuck? Dude, that's fucked. Oh my god, boys. Got another Laker here. Oh, Trevor. Trevor is huge. No, just hold up. Oh my god!
Oh my god, dude. Beauty freaking Laker, dude. Oh my god. Fish, dude.
2-pounder?
Oh.
Sorry, GoPro. Huge fish, a little release video. Alright, come here, fishy. Oh, fuck.
It's so wide.
He's so slippery, dude.
There you go.
Oh! Come back here tomorrow.
Oh yeah, boys.
Holy fuck! Ah, I'm sorry, Trevor. Alright, come here.
Beautiful lake trout.
Oh fuck.
Oh, it's so lively.
It's so slippery, dude.
Oh, there he goes.
Trevor's hooked up to a big, nice laker. Used the same tube as last time. Try and get that off the ice, yeah. Try and get him away from the ice. Oh, he's nice, man. Oh, wow. That's a big trout.
Let's go!
Let's fucking go, dude. That's a nice one. Oh, man.
Fucking beautiful fish, dude. Come on. There he goes.
Damn.
Let's friggin' go, baby.
Holy fuck. Trevor just hooked up to another fucking laker on the fucking Cyclops. Nice and easy, Trevor. Let him run if he wants to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't lose him. Jesus Christ.
Let's go!
Holy fuck. It's a huge one.
This one might be bigger.
Oh my god.
Nice!
Bro, you were jigging that like a maniac too.
Yeah, dude.
You didn't have it tipped with anything?
No.
The
I was
fuck?
trying to call him in.
What the fuck?
I did hear that fucking the chartreuse, this exact mesh spoon is the best one for Lakers. But I didn't believe it. Oh, this is bigger than the last one, dude.
God damn.
Damn.
Nice. Laker day for Trevor.
Laker number 2.
Jesus.
On Bay Lake. This one's a little bigger. Just switched up to the chartreuse Cyclops spoon size 2.
Mm-hmm.
Heard it worked good online, but I've only ever caught pike with it. But
God damn.
did the trick in about 5 minutes of being down there. Jigging like a maniac. Let's let this guy go. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery in here. Right away. Beautiful.
God damn.
Beautiful.
Hell yeah.
Go.
Fuck, I need me